Welcome back. In this session, I will explain database administrator. This comes under chapter 1. This is called session 6. The person who responsible for controlling and coordinating the DBA system is called database administrator. Functions or roles of DBA. First one, evaluator, variable features and related products. That's the first responsibility or functions of a role of DBA. Second one, installation, configuration, and upgrading of Oracle softwares. That is another role of DBA. Third one, establish and maintaining backup and recovery. Fourth one, DBA is responsible for modifications such as inserting data, deleting, and updating data. Inserting data means that already data are there. If I add some more things, that's called insertion. Sometimes we may store unwanted data. If you want to delete, if you want to remove, that is called delete. Update means that if you want to make some changes, what you have stored the data. That is another responsibility of DBA. Fifth one, DBA also creates a set of definitions which are responsible for actual storages structures. Sixth one, the DBA responsible for creation of user groups. It means various view level schemas. You have to create the user groups. Next one, providing data security. You have DBA has to look after providing data security. Next, rules of DBA, responsibilities of DBA. That means roles and responsibilities of DBA. First one, selection of hardware and software. Keep up with current technology trends, predict future changes, establish self products. This is a responsibility and role of DBA. Second one, managing data security. Establishment of user requirements, firewalls for network security, protection of data against accidental or intentional or misuse. Third one, managing data integrity. Integrity controls protect data from unauthorized users. Maintains data consistency, maintaining data relationship. That is another role and responsibility of DBA. Fourth one, data backup. DBA must assume what type of data should be backup more frequently. There are several backup facilities done by DBA. They are automatic dump, periodic backup, etc. That depends on the weightage of the data. Fifth one, database recovery. Reinstallation of database after crash. Recovery includes backup, checkpoint. These are done by recovery manager. Sometimes the data may be collapsed. It has to recover. Sixth one, DBA is responsible for improving query processing performance and maintenance. Document standards. Next one, he is responsible for version control and technical supports. Next one, he is responsible to take care of database design and the implementation. Next one, checking memory and CPU usage. That means that here DBA has to look after entire thing of DBMS. Entire thing means maybe security, storage, upgradation, everything he has to look after. Next, when not to use a database. Main cost of using a database management system. It means high initial investment in hardware, software, etc. Yeah, cost is also very important. Investment is also very important. Suppose here little bit investment is more. Someone is not capable to invest that much of amount. There we cannot use the DBMS. When a DBMS may be unnecessary. If database and application may not be met because of DBMS overheads, you have to look after overheads also. When no DBMS may suffice, if the database user need special operations not supported by the DBMS. If the database users need special operations not supported by the DBMS. Suppose here DBMS some operations are there. Sometimes database require some more operations. There we cannot use the DBMS. Thank you. We will see in the next session.